Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi scooter. In this video I'll show you how to lock it. Firstly, let's take a look. On the bottom of the scooter handle, right here, we've got this lever. Firstly, we have to unlock it. So let's push this part to the right side, and now we can unlock this lever. Now, when the lever is unlocked, we can simply put the handle down and make sure that this part will lock with this part on the rear wheel. Now you can simply pull the whole scooter. And that's basically it. If you want to unlock it from the rear wheel, pull it up, now pull the lever and lock it. And that's the process how to lock and unlock your scooter. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.